Hey everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a short video just to show you that if you want to get a little bit more artistic with your pencils and brushes, where you can find extra sets of brushes. So more than just the standard brushes that you see right now. So let's just give this a quick test. I'm going to select the brush tool and I'll go to my layer 2 here, and you'll see here that when I drop down the options for my brush, I have these brushes available here. Now that seems like not very many for this giant professional software. So here's where you go. You'll see a little drop down tab here, and you drop it down, and you'll see here you actually have a whole bunch of brushes. So let's say thick, heavy brushes. It'll say, do you want to replace them? You say sure, and you'll see we have some thick, heavy brushes. Now you may say that's not very many, so you go back and you go, I want natural brushes. Okay, and you have a bit more. The point of the story is you have lots of extra brushes there. But here's the best part. You can actually go online and say Photoshop brush packages, and you'll find tons of free ones. You can go load brushes, go hunt them down on your computer, load them up, and bam, you're going to have those brushes inside Photoshop. So keep in mind that if you are doing something really fancy, who knows, you may find a cool brush pack out there and you can load it up in your program. That's really it for loading brushes. You should keep this option in mind because this little option here, loading other types or styles, is available in a lot of these tools. So you can always sort of look for this option, click it when you're bored, and just go look if you can load extras. Go hunt online, find some cool extras. That's about it for that one. Thanks for watching.